How to get free stuff on TEMU. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get some free stuff in your TEMU account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TEMU application and get logged into your TEMU account. Once you're logged into your account, you will see Use section at the bottom page. Tap onto it, and under these various options, tap on credits and free gifts. As you do so, you will see various options. Now tap on any one of them. For instance, I'll tap on get $5 $0 items. Now as you do so, choose your gift. Then choose your second gift. Just like so, pick 4 more gifts to win all the gifts. And just like so, once you complete all these steps, you have to invite your friends in order to receive all these gifts. And this is how you can get free stuff in your TEMU app. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank